So my name is Preston Chapman. I studied in advancing computer science and as well as network engineering. UAT has been the college of my dreams per se. Every moment I had there was a lot of fun. I enjoyed every professor. Everything it has was exactly what I wanted. There's a lot of professors that had a big impact on me. Ray Crusoe is one of the ones that really supported me a lot. They also helped me become the programming and mathematics tutor. So I really do appreciate everyone at UAT. There are so many different ones that impacted me. I enjoy system administrations, a lot of the web programming. There's so many different classes I enjoyed. SIP was one of my favorite things that I did at UAT. My SIP project was a mobile app that allows you to control a music player that's playing on your computer or a server using your phone. So it just allows you to have a highly customizable and modular experience while using a mobile app that's fully open sourced. The SIP project may seem daunting with how much you have to do, but in honesty, it is one of the most fun and engaging experiences that I've been able to ever do. I'm able to choose a passion that I have and be able to put it through fruition, and I'm able to really put a lot of effort into it. And even if you don't have an idea until the days before it happens, that's okay. Mine didn't come to me a week before I had to come up with an idea, and it just came to me in the random while I was doing laundry. So one day it will come, or you may have ideas months in advance. I just want to say thank you to everyone at UAT. This has been a wonderful experience, and I'm looking forward to see what will happen next.